Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join with me. I'm going to show you around Araneta Center, Cubao Quezon City. How beautiful this place is. Okay guys, without any further ado, let's go! For your info guys, Araneta Center is now Araneta City. And there is also Times Square. So Times Square not just in New York, but we have also here in Araneta City. This is the Shopwise guys. This is Novotel. It's just beside Smart Araneta Coliseum. Okay guys, let's cross the road and proceed roaming around. No? Tara. Oh. That is Smart Araneta Coliseum guys. It's just between Gateway Mall and Novotel. Wow, Gateway Mall and Gateway Tower started already lighting up. So it looks more beautiful. And aside from that guys, a lot of palm trees and trees around the corner. The last time I came here, there was nothing, but now so much improvements as you can see. And guys, I'm here now Times Square, Araneta City. So beautiful here. There are a lot of skyscrapers, residential condominiums, malls, entertainment, and moreover it's very accessible. So everything is here guys. This is now the Araneta City bus station with less crowd as you can see around guys. Before sobrang daming tao dito, lalo pag mga long holidays kasi uwi sa makanyang probinsya across the country. That's Egypt guys, yung nakikita nyong mga blue small buses, yan yung ipapalit sa mga existing jeepneys natin. At I think mas maganda yan kasi fully air condition ang loob niyan, mas comfortable tayong mga commuters. Lalong-lalo na kung ma-stuck up tayo sa traffic, hindi ka pagpapawisan ng papawisan at maalikabukan. Kaya saludo talaga ako sa mga project ng ating government, lalong-lalo na sa Duterte administration. Mabuhay Philippines! Yan guys, yung Ali Mall kung natatandaan nyo pa, sobrang ganda na dito this area. So clean and organized. At marami na rin mga skyscrapers as you can see around. At dito pa rin tayo guys sa kahabaan ng Times Square. Okay guys, let's cross the road and continue walking around. Kasi napakaganda din yung weather, hindi siya mainit. At less crowd din as you can see. Napaka peaceful dito mamasyal. That's SM Cubao guys. It's just opposite of Ali Mall. There are lots of restaurants and cafes along the walkway of Ali Mall, and there are some restaurants are closed and some others are doing only deliveries. For your info guys, Ali Mall and SM are linked to each other, as you can see. Wow, it's just one-stop shop, same with other countries do. Or just like Farmers Plaza and Gateway Mall. So I'd love to come back here in Araneta City for a shopping and all. Ang haba pala tong Ali Mall guys, kung gaano siya kahaba yung walkway niya, gano'n din kadaming restaurants and cafes. Yung nga lang guys, kunting tao pa rin talaga dito dahil nga sa pandemic. Now guys, we're here at Quezon, corner Times Square, Araneta City. So this area is a bit traffic kasi dito dumadaan yung mga buses and jeepneys. Ganun kahaba ang Times Square guys at ganun kahaba yung nilakad namin. Mabuti na lang hindi mainit at napakaganda ang panahon. It's really worth it guys to walk around Araneta City because it's so beautiful, especially at night. You can see a lot of Christmas decorations with sparkling Christmas lights around. It's really Christmas in the air guys, and I can feel it. Wow, Isitan still exists. One of the oldest shops in town. Then the next block guys is Aurora Boulevard, where you can take LRT, bus or jeepney. FYI guys, meron na rin tayong bus route from Kogyo to Cubao, vice versa, and Antipolo City to Cubao, vice versa. Guys, kung kayo ay matagal nang hindi naka-visit dito sa Araneta City, ito na siya ngayon. Ang laki ng pinagbago guys. Lalong-lalo na pag kayo ay OFW, talagang ma-amaze kayo sa lugar. Sobrang ganda na siya guys. Clean and organized. Ibang-iba na siya guys sa dating Cubao. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Keep safe everyone.